let's make the part number 8 is die, diameter 24, height 23. Then there is a dome shape, 8 height. Okay. Then we have to cut up to 28 millimeter. Then there is a circle 5.8, depth 10 millimeter. Let's see how we can achieve this. Right plane sketch, activate here corner rectangle, smart dimension, height 23, diameter 24, so radius 12. Apply revolve boss base feature and select this line as the axis of revolution. Okay. Let me apply material matte. Okay. Now go to insert feature, apply here dome. 8 millimeter is height of our dome. 8 millimeter, select this face and you will see the preview. Okay. If you select the dome, see the height of this 8 millimeter. Okay. Now let me draw one plane. Reference plane bottom or top. 28 millimeter flip offset. See. Okay. Now I want to remove upper. Go to surface, apply cut with surface. See, this plane is applied. See the arrow direction, upper side we need to cut. Okay. Look. Click and hide plane. Select the face, sketch, draw a circle. .2 and make it depth 10 millimeters. So apply extruded cut feature and go down, not through all, keep end condition blind and make it only 10. Okay, let's make some, see. It should be look like okay. Let me save this one. Parts, this is die.